Well, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Lisa. I have tons of ideas that I want to share with you guys, different DIY projects and dollar store projects, things that you can make at home on your own really affordably, and they look great too. And I thought it would be really appropriate to start my very first video on my new YouTube channel with a dollar store haul. Yep, I went to the dollar store. A lot of the different projects that I make, I actually get inspiration and find stuff to make these projects by going to the dollar store. So let me show you what I found. You can never go wrong with picture frames, and thankfully the dollar store has tons of different picture frames for you to choose from. This just happens to be a bunch of 4x6 frames that I have a project in mind for all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yep, just 7. 7 of these 4x6 picture frames are going to become a really neat decorator piece that I'll show you in an upcoming video. I'm going to blind you with my mirrors. Next, I got these mirrors, and I have 9 of them, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 9 mirrors that are going to be another project. And this is probably one of the first projects that I want to share with you. And I know this has been done before multiple times, but I really want to make my own Pottery Barn inspired mirror using mirrors that I got from the Dollar Tree. So that's what these are for, and that's what these are for too. This is a couple of sheets of foam board, and of course they were $1, but this is going to help to reinforce and make my mirror stronger. This is going to be fun. And I found this sign and I thought it was so cute. Eggs, milk, and bacon. And it's just a plastic sign, but it's really cute, and now that I'm looking at it, I'm thinking you could actually cut in between and make it 3 separate signs. So that's pretty fancy. It will be when I'm done with it. And these are really cute. These are LED floral lights. And I didn't get them because of the light purpose, but those are really cute little LED lights. I mainly wanted it for the flower because I'd been looking for a white foam flower like that. Hadn't been able to find one, and of course I found it at Dollar Tree. If there's something that you're looking for, especially when it comes to making your own projects or home decor, you really need to consider going to Dollar Tree because they have a ton of things that may not be what they were purposed for, but they make really great projects. And I found this tin. A lot of people have these tins, and I've seen a lot of different projects that people have made with these. So hopefully you like mine too. It's going to be a little bit different. And I got a bag of rocks. Yep, they have rocks too. And I got a few extra picture frames for a gallery wall that I have in one of my rooms that I'm sure I will get to showing you later. And even though they're only $1, they still look really great hanging up on the wall, especially when you have a bunch of different types of frames intermingled on your gallery wall. This is called reindeer moss. Don't know why they call it reindeer moss, but it's going to work perfect for a project. And I can't go to the Dollar Tree without getting a whole bunch of silk flowers. This project is going to be awesome, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So a bunch of silk flowers. Most of them are white roses, and I did get a couple of, I guess they're kind of a cream or yellow tinted rose. I don't know what you would call it, but not quite white, as you can see, but it'll work perfect. I found some glass cylinder vases, and you can never go to Dollar Tree and leave without getting a couple of these candle holders. And what I want to do with these is something like that. And I am going to make a pair of anthropology inspired candlesticks. This is going to be so cool. I cannot wait to share this with you guys. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see how I'm going to turn this into a pair of $525 candlesticks. At least that's what they cost on Anthropology's website. I'm going to do it for a lot less. There's the other candle holders that will make the other candlestick. So I will have a pair. some more mirrors. These have a black frame. And these are LED candles. And this is probably one of my most favorite things to find at the Dollar Tree because they actually flicker and the battery is included in them. So these are really nice, very affordable. Just as an example, you can find candles similar to this on Pottery Barn's website, and they are $14.50. So I got 3 for $3, or it would have cost me a whole lot more if I went on Pottery Barn's website. So $1 is a really good deal for an LED flameless candle. And then you don't have to worry about burning anything down. I got a sponge that I'm actually going to cut into pieces so I can use it for doing a lot of different faux painting for a lot of the projects that I'm going to make. I found some wet floral foam. I like this type of foam. You can use it for real flowers, but I just like the way it feels, and it works with silk flower displays too. So this is a pack of 2 of the wet style floral foam. And I found this wall sticker. It's really cool. It says love is patient, love is kind, love does not boast, love does not envy, blah, blah, blah. So this is going to turn into, I guess, almost an inspirational wall quote that you can hang up on your wall. Okay, so that is everything that I found at Dollar Tree. I'm very happy that I have 2 Dollar Trees pretty close to me, so I can kind of go in between both of the stores and look for different things that I might be missing when I'm getting ready to make a project. For example, the mirrors, I had to go to 2 different stores to get those mirrors. And they actually do have an option where you can go to their website and you can buy whatever you want online, and then they'll ship it to a store that's close to you. The only downside to that is you have to buy it in the quantity that they have on their website. So for example, the mirrors were, I'd have to buy 24 mirrors in order to get them shipped to the store. And right now I don't have an idea that I'm going to use 24 mirrors for. That could change, but right now I just need 9 mirrors of the silver and then 9 mirrors of the black. I still have to get a couple of black ones, but I've got 9 of the silver so I can get started on that project. But if you are needing to buy something in bulk, you need a lot of different things, like if you're getting married or preparing for a fancy birthday party or something, you can go to Dollar Tree and buy these different things in bulk. So that's a neat option too. All right, so like I said, that is everything that I got from 2 different Dollar Tree stores over the past week in preparation to make a whole bunch of videos for my new YouTube channel for you to watch. And if you want to find out what I'm going to make with all of these different items I got from the Dollar Tree, be sure to subscribe to my channel. You never know what I'm going to be doing. Sometimes I don't even know what I'm going to be doing, but it's going to be fun. So you should really consider subscribing. You should. You really, really should. It's really easy. You just click that little button. Just that little subscribe button. Not too hard at all, now was it? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.